Why are you not making sale as an affiliate? Why? Now let's talk about the 3 reasons why you might not be making sale. Number one is that you that is promoting, you don't look like somebody they can trust. Like if I visit your page now, can your page convince me? Can your page make me trust you? Okay, let's take yourself as a buyer, for example, and you visit your own page. Will that page convince you yourself? Will that page make the buyer to trust you? Now, number two is that you don't have enough eyeballs on your product. Like you're not driving enough traffic to your affiliate link. So you need to start driving traffic either by paid ad or organically. Drive more traffic to your affiliate link. The more you send people there, the more chances you are on making sale. And number three is that you are not doing a proper follow-up. Learn to follow up on your leads, bomber to bomber. Like if you're sending them to your WhatsApp, learn to use your status to pepper them. Like pepper them with your status. You can even follow them up one-on-one, sending them message, chatting up with them. Like learn to follow up your lead. And if you're using email, use a captivating email that drags their attention and that wants them want to buy your product. Okay, follow me for more affiliate marketing tips.